time of the day as anybody else. It's just that a lot of it is taken up by various activities. The thing is, you can get into this business, this home-based business, and you can do very well at it if you spend half an hour a day on it. You'll do phenomenal if you can spend 2 hours a day on it. And if you can find other people that will also spend a half an hour or 2 hours a day on it, you will have an amazing team and be very successful. My recipe for time is a cup of desire, a cup of passion, two tablespoons of hunger, a teaspoon each of uncertainty and nerve, and a pinch of panic. You mix it all together in a pail of purpose, and you've got time.
Wow.
You can literally make time. If you think about time, that's just, everybody has a regular job, right? Except for Don, right? Everybody has a regular job, the job, just over broke sort of thing. So when you do your job, you work for 2 weeks and then you get compensated with money, correct?
Right.
So on the 30th and 15th, you work 2 weeks, and then on the 15th, you get X dollars. And then you work 2 more weeks, and then on the 30th, you get X dollars. What do you think it would be like if that was how you got your time? Would you be a little more frugal with it?
Yeah.
Would you concentrate it a little differently? Would you find it more valuable? We all have the same amount of time, and that's the thing. You only have that allotted amount of time. There's only 24 hours a day. You can't magically get 26 hours. You get 24 hours every day. So however you spend that time is very important. If you're spending that time on things and on people that provide no return on investment, then you're not spending your time very wisely. So you can make your own time, just like you can make jam or bread, and then you spend your time. Just make sure that, because time is your own personal currency. So be careful on who and on what you spend it. Okay? There, that's all I have to say about that.
Thanks, Terry.